Hi, honey. There, Luna Bear. Hi, baby. Oh, there, you so pretty. You so beautiful. If you look right here, pull that down. That's how you get the doors off. Simple. I never knew that. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. So today I was not going to work. I've had a cold for like 4 or 5 days. Yesterday didn't go that great scrapping. It's 12 noon right now and I still went out, and in like 15 minutes I just found a mini fridge, a big TV, and there's a whole bunch more metal back in the back of my truck. Not a lot, but I found a lot quick. So I might get a little bit of footage while I'm riding around here. But yeah, barely trying, and I got maybe like a quarter of a load already. YouTube. I'm over in Middle River, Maryland. I don't come here a lot anymore. I used to all the time when I was street scrap. The maintenance dude usually leaves the metal right here. Even though I haven't been here in so long, I know that because I used to talk to him all the time. This is all maybe 20 minutes of driving around. It's not a lot of stuff, but it's a little bit of metal. Like I said, I ain't feeling too great today, so I'm not like pressed to get a big load and run down the yard. I might just get what I can and go tomorrow. This is pretty heavy duty metal chair. Sheesh, that is pretty heavy. I'm gonna climb in that dumpster as well, guys. We are getting some metal together though. I don't know if you can hear my voice. It doesn't sound too great, guys. But it's better than not getting out the house. It's better than just sitting in the house. If I stayed home, I would probably just sleep all day. I wouldn't work on my computer or nothing, so yeah. Probably take all this apart, pile it all up in there better. Check out the dumpster real fast. That's what we do. We dumpster dive. Ready? There's a playpen that's got some metal on the frame. I can cut all that off. Almost nothing in here. A few mattresses, but no metal. I'll probably get the playpen too. Why not? I'm gonna need a razor knife for that or a pair of snips to cut all that off. There's even a spoon in here, guys. Slim pickings day number 2. Sheesh. That part's getting fast forward. That's it for here, guys. Okie dokie YouTube. I gotta go get my daughter in about a half hour. I'm not feeling too great. Like I said earlier, I wanted to show you guys these straps my brother got me. They're pretty cool. They torque straps. 14 feet long, 1.5 inch wide. These are awesome. They have a spring locking mechanism in them. I'm gonna get used to these guys, just like I started using the tie boss. Yeah, these are cool. New straps. I like it. I'm gonna use them for sure. Thank you, brother. YouTube, good morning. It's a beautiful day. I'm sick. It's 11:30 and I just left my house, which means I'm running like 3 hours behind, 2 hours. And my buddy, the maintenance dude right over here, just messaged me. He's got 4 appliances in different units. We're going right now to get all of them. And we're gonna have a scrap load out of nowhere that fast. Let's get it. We'll be there in like 5 minutes. Yeah, everything must go, YouTube. Beautiful day. Okay guys, look how low this lift gate drops. I did not know that. I never tried to drop it like 3-4 feet. It's in this building. There's a truck in the way. I'm gonna go get whatever they got on the lower floor. He said unit B, that's downstairs. Fight that up here and I might be able to load it right there or have to move my truck. Let's get it, guys. I got the Scrap Chief shirt on. Salvaging AZ, that's why I got all these. Gotta see what all he wants removed. A fridge and a stove. We're gonna get them out of here, guys. Check out my buddy's channel, Salvaging in Arizona. Both of these are going with us. We're on the downstairs. I'll take all the weight off of this. Okay guys, I got some weight off. I couldn't bust the door off. The glass fell off it. Instead, they moved their truck. I'm gonna get closer and then we're gonna go get that fridge and that stove, and there's more to go. Grinding. Everything must go, YouTube. Moving right along. Great day for some appliance removal. Great day. Shoot. Not supposed to do that. It's easier for me to flip them up the steps. I've said that a bunch of times. Let's go load this up. Truck's right there. Okay, quickly now. All these fixtures have brass on them. If you want to take the time to get it off, aluminum, and cut the wires, guys. Brassola. All right, let's load this up. Okay, guys, I just wrestled this up the steps, flipped it, all that good stuff, and got it out here. I'm gonna load this up, and then we're going to 3 more units, and then another maintenance guy called me. Hopefully I get more than that, so I gotta hurry up now. Might have 2 scrap runs today. Sheesh, not bad at all.
Then take the first right.
Oh my gosh, YouTube, this whole other maintenance guy, another apartment, he just called me. He's got like 15, it looks like a lot of appliances, probably 12. But now it's like I'm overwhelmed, and before I left my house, I didn't have anything at all today. Let's get it, guys. So far I got 2 units on here and a little bit of steel in a trash can. We're going to this other one right now. Every single thing must go, guys. And it's 12:20, so I don't even have that much time.
Then turn left.
Shoot. Okay, YouTube. 2 units back there are both locked, and he said he can't unlock them right now. So yeah, that wasn't cool. We're going to try another one, and then one more after that, and flying out of here like lunatics. There's some metal down here by this dumpster. We're loading this shelf up as well. Let's get it, guys. We're taking this baby, get the screws off, hex keys. There's a little bit of metal in here, and one of these buildings on the right downstairs has something in it. If it's unlocked, I'm not sure, guys. But we want it to be. We're taking all metal today. It doesn't matter what it is. Everything must go. Everything must go, YouTube. We need a drill. Okay, I'm gonna bust this down and then go check in here. We need the big hex for that one. Go check in here for an appliance. We gotta hurry, YouTube. Boy, oh boy. It's the bigger hex key than that. Smaller than that. I don't think it's, nah, that's way too giant. I knew better. That's too big as well, I believe. Yes, sir. Like, that's too. Well, we're taking this apart. I couldn't find the bit because it was stuck to this 90. I was looking all over, and it was stuck to the end of it with a magnet. Okay. Moving right along. Real quick, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that pretty little baby. Hi, honey. There, Luna Bear. Hi, baby. Oh, there, you so pretty. You so beautiful. I want to say thank you very much to John W. You are the man, bro. How awesome is that? Thank you. I really appreciate you, buddy. New DeWalt bits. Yeah, we're definitely going to use these no matter what. Depot. Home Depot. I appreciate you, brother. Big time, John. Real quick, guys. A light post fell down. And I asked the maintenance dude. He said I could take it. I threw the top in there. Threw the giant bulb away. I'm gonna cut this in half. It's aluminum, and he's coming to unlock the one back there, so I got time to fill this up as fast as possible. Let's get it. Okay, this thing's pretty big, guys. There's a chunk of wire running through it. Hope you can see this. Wow, it's thick. That's that. Let's go get some appliances. Okay, guys, I got in this basement unit. There's a refrigerator and a stove down there. There's plumber's brass on this sink. I gotta hurry up, kinda. Remove the door and the bottom drawer off of the stove already. He said the other unit, only had a dishwasher. And then he said one of the other addresses that I knocked on their door was a typo, and people were living in there still. I was like, whoops, definitely can't have that. I don't want nobody to freak out on me by walking in their house. Yeah, we're starting to build a load up after all. There's a washer dryer combo in here. I don't know if I'm taking it, but if I have to, or if I am supposed to, I'm going to. Okay guys, it's a mess in here. These are going, and I'm not sure about this yet, but I just asked them. We're gonna load it up and go quick as we can. Sheesh. This is gonna be fun. Ready? That wasn't easy. This is how I got the last one too, guys. Now we go load it up. Okay, YouTube, after I left them apartments, I just headed straight to the scrapyard up in Joppa. We're gonna go dump this out. It's not that much stuff, but it's better than a blank. I wasn't even gonna go out today. And as soon as I leave this yard, I gotta fly down to these other apartments and try to get these other appliances from my buddy Eric. I haven't been there in a while, but he's got a bunch of stuff sitting outside I didn't even know about until about an hour ago. So let's see if we can go grab some more after this. And it's 2 p.m. We gotta be back up here by like 4:15, so we're really in a hurry. Everything must go, YouTube. Arrgh. Approaching the scale. Somebody came with a mini. 68.80. Not a very heavy load. Let's go throw this out, guys. Arrgh. Everything must go. Okay, quick as we can. Bye-bye, Mr. Bridge. Ooh. Two fridges. I think this is aluminum. It's aluminum. We got a mix. Huh? This is some kind of aluminum, I believe. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna throw all this out as fast as I can. get more footage in a little bit. Yeah, this is that lamp. He told me I could take some kind of cast aluminum, I believe. Might be zinc, but I'm not sure. Okay, we're getting on the scale. Got some aluminum to get rid of. That light lamp pole. A little bit more stuff, and then we're gonna fly to this next location 14 minutes away. 6240. Not bad, not bad. YouTube. Okay, this ain't a great run, but it's not bad considering I wasn't even gonna go out today. Sheet iron, 640 pounds. That was 47 bucks. And then this is pretty long. Don't forget that light post was in there. Sealed units was $7.80. Wire, $1.40. 50 cents for one little motor off a fan. Sheet aluminum, dirty, $5.80. $15.40 for aluminum extrusions. They took $1 fee for a grand total of 20, 40, 60, 75, 67, $77. Not bad at all. Now I'm gonna fly and try to get these appliances. Hopefully we can make it. It's been about an hour and a half. They might be gone, but it was a lot, so I want them if I can get them. Let's get it. Plus there's non-ferrous and a little bit of steel in my storage unit I did not have time to go get as well. Okie dokie, YouTube. Right up here is where the maintenance building is, and I'm hoping all these appliances are still here. I told him I was on the way and he said okay. Scrapyard's 20 minutes from here. I don't have a lot of time though. There should be a whole bunch on the outside of this building. A whole bunch. There they are. Oh my goodness. Let's load it up, guys. We are in a hurry. Wow. There's a full load. Awesome. Yeah, we're getting that. Sheesh. Look at all these stoves and fridges, guys. Microwaves. I'm gonna go talk to the boss and then we're gonna get loaded. Yeah, we gotta hurry up. Okay, guys. So, I'm gonna start loading this. Whoa, there's water. They have some dishwashers I can't take because of the plastic, but you know what? This yard actually said they would accept plastic dishwashers the one time I was here. I'm probably gonna load this up there and then put a microwave on top of it to take up less space. There's some microwaves too. Sheesh, this is a fat load, guys. I literally have less than 1 hour, so I gotta hurry. I'm gonna cut whatever cords real quick. Yikes. Amazing timing. Amazing timing. I don't have time to bust the stuff out of these. The magnetron and all. I don't have time to take these apart. I would love to, but I just can't. I really shouldn't even cut all these cords off, but whatever. It's weird, I haven't been here in forever. I don't like just showing up. All right, I'll get more footage once I load a bunch more of this up, but yeah, we're getting it. We are getting it. We're getting it, YouTube. We're grinding. Making pretty good progress, guys. I'm taking whatever I can. Not going to be able to fit everything in this trip. There's going to be 1 or 2 stoves left over, but I might be able to take the door off this one, and after I'm going to the yard, I'll come right back here again. Uh-oh, we have some yuck in this fridge. That's not good. The last 2 slid right off. See, these kind stoves, you pull these down on each side and then it'll pop right up, but there's like a trigger thing and blocking it. Long story short, I'm taking what I can, get as much out of here on this trip. All right, we're almost done. There's a bunch of loose copper and brass. Let's try this guy out real quick. Dun, dun, dun. Can cut the cords off of this one too. If you look right here, pull that down. That's how you get the doors off. Simple. I never knew that. Before I used to try to pull these Phillips screws right here and it still wouldn't work, and I didn't know why. See that? We have a loose door, guys. All right, keep moving. I already got half of it out before I started recording. We have a yuck fridge on our hands. That crap was in there as well. Don't breathe it in, guys. It's not that bad. You guys just left the waffles, huh? Alright, that's good enough. Let's go to the scrapyard, guys. I'm almost full here. Yeah. Grinding. Wave high for the camera, guys. All in. Okay, we got them in there. 8 appliances. We're going to the yard. I'm gonna see if I can real quick throw some of these cages out of these dishwashers in there, and then we gotta go quickly though, very quick. And then I'm coming back for them stoves if they're still here. It's gonna take me like 45 minutes till I get back. Let's get it. Okie dokie, YouTube. We are 3 minutes from the yard with this second load. Let's go throw it out, guys. Afterwards, I'm gonna go grab them stoves and probably not the dishwashers. One more time. $7,500 even. Yeah. Let's go throw this out, guys. Okay, I took the straps off. There's a car up there. Sheesh. And a dumpster. Bye-bye, Mr. Fridge. Woo! Bye-bye, Mr. Fridge number 2. Sheesh. Come on, baby. Every fridge must go. Every fridge must go. Come on, buddy. You're out of here, sir. Sheesh. Yeah. Yeah. Ah. Woo. Yeah. We're gonna throw all this out and get more footage in a little bit, guys. Ready? See if we can hit the car, guys. Almost. Alright, I'll get more footage in a minute. Okay, I have a very little bit of non-ferrous, a little bit of copper, a few wires, very few stuff. I'm gonna do this and then go get paid and we will head out. What was it, 75 to 62.20. Mr. Milo. YouTube. That ended great. I'm so happy I went out. I didn't plan on it. 7,500 even to 62.20, 1,280 pounds for a total of 94 bucks. A very little bit of non-ferrous. Wire, number 2 copper, and sealed units. $1.40, $9.60, and $14.20 was 24 bucks. For a grand total, YouTube. 110, 15, 16, 17, 18. Not bad at all. Plus 77, I believe, is 195. I'm very content with that. I didn't work yesterday really, so yes, I'm happy. Everybody have an amazing holiday this year. Winter's not cool. Everybody knows winter sucks. We're gonna be hustling even in the cold weather, but we don't like to. Thank you guys for watching. Everything must go. On to the next one.